Hello everybody! Anna Vanila is back with new gifts and things that happened lately in my life, in your life. And I thought I might share another gift that I received from a dear friend who is my fan, the biggest fan, one of my biggest fans, and who is Jonathan. He purchased this computer for me, and he's so great the fact that he even knew that I like to play games, computer games, and he bought me as a gift for Christmas and New Year this wonderful computer that is solidly built, and it's wonderful gift. And I've tried playing games on it and I thought it's magic. The screen is magic, everything about it, all the experience of gameplay is just wonderful. And I didn't even remove this plastic, protective plastic, because I want for it to stay as new as can be, so that I can feel loved and appreciated by my fans. It's amazing computer. I played the game on it. I've enjoyed it. The graphics are just unbelievable. And I would like to thank Jonathan for this wonderful gift that I received for Christmas and New Year. I'm wishing you all the same, Jonathan. Thank you very much for this wonderful surprise. Thank you very much. This computer costs around £1,000-something, so it's very expensive, but it's very good because it's able to give you a kind of experience of gameplay like you would never feel before. It's like on a PlayStation or something like that, which is nearly unreal. So the music, it's fantastic on it, and is able to give you a wonderful play, and almost like a movie play rather than a game, because the graphics are just amazing. So thank you, Jonathan. I really enjoy this present, and I enjoy playing things on it, and I can surf on the internet on it as well, and it's just wonderful. I love it. And the keyboard is also, you can see in the dark the keyboard, so if you want to play in the dark you can enjoy it. You can surf on the internet in the dark. Yeah, it's just wonderful. I love it. This is probably one of my best and most expensive computers I've ever had in my life. So of course, thank you, Jonathan, for this new experience and for this wonderful computer. So thank you very much. I love it. So I do love my fans that love me so much. So Anna Vanila thanks you for all the listening, all the watching, subscribing. Thank you for everything. Anna Vanila, and my wonderful things that I received from you, from fans, I appreciate so much, and I enjoy using them. So thank you very much. Yeah, I have to hug this complaint.